Earn some SoFi rewards points or a referral bonus and wondering how to cash them in? It's a great way to get a little extra value from the platform. Today, I'll show you the redemption options. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. SoFi makes it pretty straightforward. Your rewards are typically housed in the Rewards section of the app, and you can use them in a few different ways. The most popular option is to redeem points for cash. You can directly deposit them into your SoFi Money or Invest account. You can also use them to pay down a SoFi loan principal. Another great option is to use them for a statement credit on your SoFi credit card, which effectively reduces your balance. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: maximize your value. While cash is king, always check if there's a special bonus for certain redemptions, like using points for a loan payment. Sometimes SoFi offers promotional value, making your points worth more. So, just like that, you can turn your engagement with SoFi into real dollars and cents. What's your favorite way to use your SoFi rewards? Cashback, or something else? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.